Hello and welcome back to Alita Cooks. Today I am making naked chicken drumsticks in the air fryer. By naked I mean no dressing of breading or flour. So I took my drumsticks and washed and rinsed them, put them in a glass bowl, and now I am stabbing them. I stab. So you're gonna stab your chicken. You can do this with wings as well, just they don't require so much stabbing, maybe once or twice. And I stab them because I want my marinade, my seasoning, to go through the skin and into the meaty part. So when you're biting into your drumstick or wings, you can taste all the seasoning inside and out. And that's the reason for the stabbing. Then we're going to dry the chicken drumsticks with paper towels. Dry them very well before we add our seasoning. Pat them down. Do this to all of the drumsticks. You will see at the end, at the bottom of the bowl, there is water. So we don't want these wet drumsticks in the air fryer. Plus the seasoning doesn't adhere so well. Adhere. I don't know. You know what I mean. So continue doing this to all of them. Then we're going to start the marinating process, which is very simple. I wash the bowl, add the chicken back in. And we're going to coat it with canola oil. Not too much, just enough to coat the skin, the chicken, and a little bit of canola oil. Seems like I'm pouring a lot, but really I'm not, because it's a very thin stream that comes out. Gonna make sure they all get coated nicely. Then for the seasoning, instead of adding so many different seasonings, I use only one that has everything in it, which is the Grill Mates Montreal chicken. Once again, I love the seasoning. It has everything. And that is what I am seasoning with. Simple, fast, and efficient. So continue doing this, coating all the chicken. We're gonna cover it and put it in the refrigerator and let it set for at least 30 minutes. But I went out to run errands, so it took me 3 hours. So 3 hours later, I finally started cooking the chicken. I preheated the air fryer 400 for 5 minutes. Add the chicken. After the preheat is done, I had made some sweet potato fries earlier, so I did not clean down the fryer. So it still had, little residue of the sweet potato, but it's no big deal. So I added the chicken, as you see here. It looks so pretty. I cooked it at 400 for 25 minutes, as you will see shortly. There you go. And we start the cooking process. I check in halfway through at 12 minutes. They are looking good. And I flip them. Continue cooking for the rest of the 12 minutes. I check in at 3 minutes. And I do a little more stabbing just to make sure there's no liquid or anything coming out of them. I don't use a thermometer. I never have. I don't think I ever will. Just old school ways of cooking. And it's always been fine. This chicken cooks right to the bone. And continue the 3 minutes. And we are done. Oh, they look so pretty. Now, let me tell you, they're not going to be crunchy because there is no breading or flour, which I chose not to have. But they are delicious. Take them out, set them up, and enjoy. Thank you everyone for watching my videos. Thank you for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Thank you so much. And I'll be back with another video real soon. I have to catch up from the weeks I was sick. Thank you again. Have a great week ahead.